Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by loading the numbers you want to compare into lists. This ensures repeatable steps. First, press Stat, choose Edit, and type values into L1 and L2. Keep one number per row. Once done, make sure there are no decimals or blanks. GCF uses integer factors, so cleaning data prevents errors. If you need to, use DEL to remove extra rows. Now you're ready to run operations that will isolate common divisors between corresponding entries. Next, you factor each integer so you can spot common divisors. The calculator doesn't have a built-in GCF key, so use a factor program or a small script that outputs prime factors. Once you run factorization on L1 and L2, store outputs into new lists like L3 and L4. Then, iterate through paired factor lists to mark intersections. This manual comparison reveals the shared prime factors and lets you compute the GCF by multiplying those shared primes together. Finally, multiply the common prime factors you identified to produce the GCF for each pair. You can write a brief loop that multiplies intersections and stores values into a GCF list. Once complete, review the GCFs quickly to confirm they divide both originals evenly. If results look wrong, check three things: your input lists, that numbers are integers not decimals, and the factorization routine's handling of repeated primes. Fixing one of those usually resolves errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.